Infinite Solutions Technologies. Of new experiences and unforgettable memories. As you step onto the colossal vessel, a sense of excitement and anticipation washes over you, akin to the gentle waves that will soon be carrying you to exotic destinations. The cruise ship, a marvel of modern engineering, is a floating city, replete with a plethora of amenities and activities that cater to every whim and fancy. From the moment you enter, you're greeted by a warm, welcoming staff whose sole purpose is to ensure your journey is as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. The interior of the ship is a blend of elegance and fun, with luxurious lounges, sprawling dining halls, and vibrant entertainment areas that come alive with music, laughter, and the clinking of glasses. As the ship sets sail, you feel a thrilling sense of detachment from the mundane aspects of everyday life. The vast, open ocean symbolizes a world of possibilities, with each sunrise and sunset painting a breathtaking canvas across the sky, reminding you of the natural beauty and serenity that exists away from the hustle and bustle of land. Your days at sea are filled with a delightful variety of activities. You might find yourself lounging by the pool, cocktail in hand, or perhaps getting invigorated with a workout in the state-of-the-art gym. The more adventurous can partake in rock climbing or surfing simulations, while those seeking relaxation can indulge in spa treatments or simply enjoy a good book on a sun-drenched deck. Each port of call is an opportunity to immerse yourself in new cultures and experiences. Whether it's exploring ancient ruins, basking on pristine beaches, or shopping in bustling local markets, these excursions provide a taste of the diverse world we live in. On board, evenings are just as thrilling, with a variety of shows ranging from Broadway-style performances to live music, ensuring that there's never a dull moment. Dining on a cruise is an experience in itself, with a multitude of options ranging from casual eateries to fine dining restaurants, each offering an array of cuisines to satisfy every palate. Moreover, the sense of community you find on a cruise is unparalleled. You have the chance to meet people from all walks of life, each with their own stories and experiences, leading to enriching conversations and potentially lifelong friendships. As your journey progresses, you'll find that the ship becomes more than just a mode of travel. It transforms into a home away from home, a safe haven where every need is catered to, and every effort is made to ensure your happiness. In conclusion, taking your first cruise is much more than a simple vacation. It's a journey of discovery, relaxation, and adventure. It offers a unique blend of tranquility and excitement, luxury and simplicity, all while providing an opportunity to explore some of the most beautiful and diverse destinations in the world. It's an experience that broadens your horizons, pampers your senses, and leaves you with memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or just a break from the ordinary, a cruise offers something for everyone, making it an ideal choice for your first foray into the world of travel by sea.